The top 5 gas grills for 2023. Elevate your outdoor cooking game. What are the best gas grills out right now? It's a big question, but today we've got some answers. We've got 5 honorable mentions, and we prepared this list according to their price, performance, and more. Stay tuned till the end of the video, as it's not mentioned in the exact order. For more information and the latest pricing, refer to the description below. Best overall, Monument Grills 77352. If your springs and summer are jammed packed with barbecues, you need a grill that can handle all the food you want to make for those guests. Not only does this gas grill have over 700 square inches of cooking area, but it also has a side burner in addition to 4 main burners. That means when it's time to heat side dishes, you can stay at your trusty gas grill without running back and forth from your kitchen. We found that this grill was one of the most responsive in terms of adjusting the temperature and flame. While overall heat distribution proved good, some cold spots toward the front part of the grill affected the char level of the food. However, you can always use the hot and cold areas to your advantage if you like indirect cooking. The front of the grill is cooler than the middle and the back, but overall, the unit performed reliably. Its size makes it perfect for a large family or frequent host, and its high-quality construction will stand up to years of use. Best mid-range, Char-Broil 463-342-620. The Char-Broil 463-342-620 signature true infrared 3-burner cabinet-style gas grill is a high-quality stainless steel grill perfect for outdoor cooking. With its durable construction and advanced features, this grill is designed to make grilling easier and more enjoyable. The grill features 3 stainless steel burners that deliver up to 24,000 BTUs of heat, providing ample cooking power for grilling everything from burgers to steaks. The true infrared cooking system ensures even heating and eliminates hot and cold spots, allowing you to cook your food perfectly every time. The grill also has a 13,000 BTU side burner that can be used for cooking sauces, side dishes, or anything else you need while you grill. The cabinet-style design provides ample storage space for your grilling tools and accessories, while the built-in thermometer ensures that you can monitor the temperature of your grill at all times. The grill grates are made of high-quality, porcelain-coated cast iron, which is durable and easy to clean. The electronic ignition system makes lighting the grill quick and easy, and the removable grease tray makes cleaning up after your grilling session a breeze. It's a top-of-the-line grill that is designed to provide years of reliable, high-quality grilling performance. Best compact, Monument Grills Tabletop. The Monument Grills Tabletop propane gas grill is a compact, portable outdoor grill perfect for camping, picnics, and tailgating. With stainless steel construction, a high lid, and a built-in thermometer, this grill is designed for durability, convenience, and precision cooking. The grill features a 1.2mm thick stainless steel lid and body, ensuring it can withstand the elements and frequent use. The lid is high, allowing larger items to be cooked on the grill, and it has a built-in thermometer to help you monitor the temperature of your food. The grill also has a stainless steel burner that delivers up to 10,000 BTUs of heat, providing ample cooking power for grilling burgers, hot dogs, and other favorite foods. The grates are made of porcelain-coated cast iron, which is durable and easy to clean. The tabletop design makes the grill easy to transport and use in various settings, while the travel locks ensure that the grill stays securely closed during transport. The grill also has a built-in grease tray, which makes cleaning up after your grilling session quick and easy. As such, the Monument Grills Tabletop Propane Gas Grill is a high-quality and versatile outdoor grill that is perfect for on-the-go cooking. The grill is a great investment for any outdoor enthusiast with its durable construction, convenient features, and precision cooking capabilities. Best equipped, Weber Genesis EPX 335. The Weber Genesis, even in 3-burner form, is a big old barbecue, with a huge cooking area and plenty of power when it comes to delivering searing, consistent heat. Building it takes about 2 hours, and you'll need somewhere to store the huge box it comes in until you're finished. But the solid construction feels built to last. It's super simple to use, and a clever grease management system means it's easy to keep clean too. While inbuilt smart features allow you to monitor the internal temperature of whatever you're cooking via your phone. It's flexible enough to cater for just a couple of people or even a dozen, thanks to its array of burners and cooking surfaces. Finally, the cabinet and exterior shelves offer huge storage and preparation space, with hooks to hang tools and a separate locker for any Weber-crafted accessories you might own. It's the boss of backyard barbecues in short, but that comes at a cost. Best value: Royal Gourmet GA5403B. The Royal Gourmet cabinet-style propane gas grill is a top-of-the-line outdoor grill that is designed for some serious grilling enthusiasts. With its 74,000 BTU output, rotisserie kit, sear burner, rear burner, and side burner, this grill provides all the features you need to cook up delicious and flavorful meals for your family and friends. The grill features 5 stainless steel burners, each delivering up to 12,000 BTUs of heat, providing ample cooking power for grilling everything from burgers to steaks. The sear burner and rear burner allow for precise cooking, while the side burner can be used for cooking sauces, side dishes, or anything else you need while you grill. The grill also comes with a rotisserie kit, which allows you to cook a whole chicken or other large cuts of meat evenly and deliciously. The cabinet-style design provides ample storage space for your grilling tools and accessories, while the built-in thermometer ensures that you can monitor the temperature of your grill at all times. The grill grates are made of high-quality porcelain-coated cast iron, which is durable and easy to clean. The electronic ignition system makes lighting the grill quick and easy. And the removable grease tray makes cleaning up after your grilling session a breeze. And the Royal Gourmet GA5403B 5-burner barbecue cabinet-style propane gas grill is a top-of-the-line grill that is designed to provide years of reliable, high-quality grilling performance. It is perfect for backyard parties, outdoor picnics, and any other outdoor cooking occasion where you need a high-quality grill. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.